In this tutorial, we're going to build a little stacked bar chart and look into the sorting of that chart. So we can go to plus, create a visualization. We're going to go for my data on the system. So we're going to go for, let me go for my retail database. We're going to go for retail. And let's start to build something. So actually, we're going to go for product as our sort field. So let's add that one to my report. Actually, besides the report or besides the product, what else do we want to add? So actually, I want to see two measures on that chart, and I want them to be stacked in here. So it's updating my chart. So we're going to go for revenue, and we're going to go for discount. And let's add those two elements to my chart to build a stacked bar chart with those values. I personally like stacked charts to compare multiple values. So we got our product in here. So now let's add the discount as well. So we got those two numbers in here. So for stack chart, it's not timeline. So I want to rotate it to make it easier to read. And I want to sort it. Challenge is here. I got two measures. And of course, I can right click and sort by one of them. But yeah, actually, I want to sort on the combination of both, so on the aggregated value. There's ways to do it in the style sheet, but easiest way is you got discount and revenue. So we're gonna go for revenue. We add a calculation in here. So we have revenue in here. So we're gonna add our discount to it. So let's add discount. I'm gonna call that field sort. Again, I don't want to be revenue, so it's a column name, and I want to change the column title to be sort as well. So again, if you click here, you can set up sort, you can set up missing, all those parameters. So click OK. So now we got a new field called sort. So let's drag and drop that new field into the canvas as well. So I want it to be sorted by that field. So I can now sort by my field called sort. So cool. Actually, it's disturbing now, so I don't want to see it in here. So let's right click on the field, and in here I can now decide to hide that field. So it's still in there, it's still used for the sorting, it's just not visible to my consumer. That's the easy way to sort a stacked bar charts. There's other ways, but that's my favorite one because it's easy to see and you can always turn it on and off to verify and check if it really is working the way you want it to work. That's it for this tutorial.